Hey Channel Insiders, it's Katie Bavoso bringing you a special bonus episode of Channel Insider Partner POV this week. Our fearless leader, Victoria Durgin, managing editor of Channel Insider, attended Ingram Micro ONE 2025 last week in Maryland. There, she caught up with Ingram Micro's president of the global platform group, Sanjib Sahoo. The two discussed everything AI, including why Sanjib sees AI agents like puppies. Don't forget, you can watch this interview on youtube.com/channelinsider_news and trends, or listen as a podcast wherever you get your podcasts from. And check out channelinsider.com for more episodes and content. Okay, here's Victoria.
We are here at Ingram Micro ONE. I am with Sanjib Sahoo. Thank you for taking some time. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely. Pleasure to be here.
I will ask a question that I'm sure nobody else today has asked. What are your thoughts on AI?
Wow. My thoughts on AI is very different. We have been talking about AI for a long time, but are we really leveraging the full potential of AI? So if you take all the chatbots and automation out, it is really about intelligence. How do you use intelligence in your business and help it grow? The data is a new relationship fabric that we are building, and AI is becoming the new operating system for us to build our business. And we have a lot of opportunity, but really we have to figure out how we bring the data and the solutions, everything together as a bundle in AI and sell AI. For the channel, AI selling will mean more about outcomes, solution, and bundling, and being more proactive, just filling line cards. AI is not filling line cards because we don't know what line card will be filled tomorrow because it's changing every single day.
So to your point about how quickly this is evolving, what is your advice on an ongoing basis to Ingram Micro partners who maybe just feel like everything's different every day and they can't get ahead and they can't get a hold on what they need for their customers?
I'll give advice that I truly feel very passionate about. We are more than a $48 billion company. We have invested in how to use AI, building our data, going through a lot of hard work, over 400 models, 32 million lines of code, and more than 30 patents. You don't have to solve problems yourself. Lean on us to actually help you to grow your business. If you have to invest in building AI as an Ingram Micro partner and look at all the data, it'll take you some time. Lean on us or let us help you in your journey. That's what I'm going to say.
To that end, on the investments that Ingram continues to make in AI, let's talk about Xvantage a little bit from a platform standpoint. How excited are you to keep iterating on what that experience looks like for partners, and how is AI improving what you could do just a few years ago?
Great question. Xvantage isn't a procurement technology anymore. It has become that AI-driven growth engine for our partners. Today, some of our partners are logging in, and one partner told me recently, I get more data from Xvantage than from my own business. It is the only platform that I can get something that I learn about my business or an opportunity without touching it at all. So Xvantage has become the new fabric, the DNA of our partners, how they can leverage it with the data and insight to grow their business versus a distribution tool. Yes, it is evolving all the time. We are building capabilities, features, but what I'm super proud of is how we have matured with the data, building our own data journey with Data Journeys, AI Factory, now with the partnership with Google Gemini. We are solving complex problems, and we are actually bringing the AI B2C experience into B2B. And we are giving that power at the hand of our partners. That's what I'm super happy about. It is iterating not as a distribution tool. It is actually helping us to change the journey of this channel.
We heard a lot on main stage in the general session just now about the importance of the human aspect, right? We get lost in the weeds of the day-to-day on the tech, but the channel remains a human-centric industry, company, et cetera. How do you keep humans and partners first and foremost as you continue to build out technically?
It's very important to understand what humans should do and how relationships matter. Today, you do not go and talk to any consumer company. You buy things from Amazon, you look at Netflix. But what is important is, are those conversations meaningful? The AI and the data builds more relationships and connections better. And then we can have the proactive discussions about how do we solve complex problems together. That is what I feel the human connection. We need to merge the human connection and the ability to do creative thinking and problem solving with the AI's power of iterate more and more and more. That's the combination of humans and AI. And somebody asked me about AI agents. We don't need agents. Agents need us. Agents are like puppies. You first get them, you coach them, train them. Sometimes they chew on wrong data. But if you nurture them properly, in the future, they will actually become a great dog and help you. AI is like that. You have to be patient. It's not perfect. You work with them, you try with them, and over the time, it actually helps you to be your job better. So AI makes us better, and we make AI better. That's the combination of human and AI together to bring this channel better.
As one final question for you today, and thank you again for your time. I'm always curious. I know nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody can predict the future, but I'll ask you to do that right now, right? If we have this conversation same time next year, back at ONE for 2026, what do you hope that Ingram Micro and its partners have been able to unlock in terms of AI potential for the customers?
I would love to say that most of our partners come here and say, you know what, we are winning in this era of AI thanks to Ingram Micro and our platform. And using the data and the insights that opened my eyes about how we can look at us differently. Because sometimes, we have to differentiate us by rethinking and reimagining. AI is not about replacement. Today, we think we're replacing people, but it's a reimagination. So I would say, replace your thoughts and reimagine your business. Come back next year and tell us that how we have won together. And that will make me super happy.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much.